Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Tenveo model and having the correct power adapter and firmware info. This matters because voltage or firmware mismatches block setup. Next, insert a micro SD or plan NAS storage so recording options are set. Plug the camera in and connect to your router via Ethernet for initial setup, or have the two. 4 GHz Wi-Fi name and password ready. Once powered and network ready, move to network pairing steps. Open the Tenveo app, sign in, and grant required permissions. This lets the app discover devices on your local network. Choose the pairing method, QR code for camera-facing scans or Smart Config for wireless. Use Ethernet if discovery fails because it bypasses Wi-Fi interference. Once paired, name the device, set motion zones and sensitivity, and configure push alerts and continuous or scheduled recording. Make sure to save settings and verify live video to confirm pairing succeeded. Finalize by updating camera firmware and enabling encryption plus a strong password. This secures access and fixes bugs. Test the live stream, two-way audio, motion recordings, and playback from micro SD or NAS so you know everything works. If anything fails, reboot the camera and router, switch to Ethernet, confirm the network uses too. 4 GHz and temporarily disable firewall or VPNs if pairing still fails. Factory reset the camera and retry pairing. This often clears persistent configuration errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.